of things we know. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you something. I don't know if y'all like it, but it's kind of weird and stuff. Remember the gun we had? Wait, no, I didn't post that video, but I had a gun that looked way different than now. Yeah, I like it. It may look ugly, but the reason for this gun is just in case, like, you run out of ammo for it. Like, you run out of ammo. This gun right here is just for fun. As you can see, this gun is actually helpful. And let's say you like run out of ammo. Let's say I run out of ammo. I can just shoot this, like, aim, shoot. It works exactly the same. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show y'all a really useful thing. I didn't really have to use glue or anything, nothing special, just like some bands, some rubber bands. That's all it really is. That's all y'all need. Yeah. So if you want to make this yourselves, well, yeah, just throw a stabber on the side. I don't know if it works or what. Can you feel it? No, you probably can't. But yeah, this is just a little review about this gun, and hope you like it. Subscribe for more, and like the video. Goodbye, guys. Yeah, guys, and I don't know. Oh, what I also like, this part isn't modded. It came with it, but like, look. Oh crap! Look at this. Wait, guys, my thing. No, it's being weird right now. There we go. Looks it, kinda. Okay, look at this. Secret department storage. Can open and close. Look at this. I forgot to show you this. And this is the real buy.